Welcome to our YouTube channel, guys. Today we are going to show you the easiest way to make a weighing machine. So this is a syringe and we have fixed a piece of paper on it by using some tape like this. And now we are going to make it airtight by using some hot glue. Here's the tape roll, and now we are wrapping it. We have to make sure that no air passes through this hole. See what it looks like. So it's sure that no air is passing. Now we have to bring something whose weight we already know. Preferably a 1 kg thing like this salt packet. So guys, it has brought it down by this much.
This much. This much, guys, this small amount.
Guys, now we are going to mark it. 1 kg here. Here you can see this. Now we are going to measure how many centimeters is this. This here. It is approximately 1 centimeter. Here you can see approximately 1 centimeter. Now after every centimeter we are going to add 1 kg. So there is a gap of 1 centimeter between every successive kg. And now it's done. Now we are going to put this battery in this bag to check the collective weight of these two. Guys, look, it's 3 kg showing here. Here we have a genuine weighing machine. It's a digital weighing machine, you can see. Now we are weighing this by using this digital machine here. Here it's showing 3 kg and 100 grams. So a little error is there. 3.1 kg is showing. The error might be in typing. Sorry guys, I mean to say marking. So there are usually little errors in these homemade things. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have questions, please comment below. And for this weighing machine, you can use smaller syringes also, and those syringes are more preferable than these big like this. You can use small.